Welcome to our video on delicious low-calorie recipes for effective weight loss. If you're looking for ways to cut calories and still enjoy delicious food, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share some of our favorite healthy recipes that are perfect for anyone who wants to lose weight without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. So, let's get started. We all know that maintaining a healthy weight is important for our overall health and well-being. But it can be tough to stick to a diet when you feel like you're missing out on all the foods you love. Fortunately, with these low-calorie recipes, you don't have to sacrifice taste for nutrition. First up, let's start with breakfast. A healthy and satisfying breakfast is essential for starting your day off right. Instead of reaching for a high-calorie bagel or muffin, try our recipe for a delicious breakfast sandwich. Start with a whole-grain English muffin. Add a scrambled egg, some turkey bacon, and a slice of low-fat cheese. And you've got a filling and nutritious breakfast that won't wreck your diet. For lunch, why not try our recipe for a quinoa salad? Quinoa is a superfood that's packed with protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Simply cook some quinoa according to the package directions, and then add in some chopped veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Top it off with a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice, and you've got a healthy and flavorful lunch that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. For dinner, we recommend our recipe for grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, and roasting your vegetables brings out their natural sweetness and flavor. Simply marinate some chicken breasts in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs, then grill them to perfection. Meanwhile, toss your favorite veggies in a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast them in the oven. In no time, you'll have a delicious and nutritious dinner that's perfect for the whole family. And for those times when you need a snack, try our recipe for roasted chickpeas. Simply drain and rinse a can of chickpeas, toss them with some olive oil and your favorite spices, and roast them in the oven until they're crispy and golden. They make a delicious and satisfying snack that's high in protein and fiber, and won't derail your diet. And there you have it, some delicious and healthy low-calorie recipes for effective weight loss. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or bland. With a little bit of creativity and some simple ingredients, you can enjoy delicious meals and snacks that will help you achieve your weight loss goals. If you have any question, then leave it comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipe ideas.